It's time to say hello to an old friend again. The first near-Earth asteroid ever discovered by humans, 433 Eros, will have a close flyby of Earth this weekend, and it should stay visible for a few weeks for anyone with a half-decent telescope. On Sunday, November 30th, 2025, Eros will fly about 60 million kilometers, 37.2 million miles, from Earth, or about 0.4 astronomical units, the Earth-Sun distance. That's a totally safe distance, yet close enough to get a good look. The stony asteroid will skim just a couple of degrees from the glowing core of the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest galactic neighbor. Since this hurtling space rock is relatively large, around 34 by 11 by 11 kilometers, 21 times 6.8 by 6.8 miles, it will shine brightly for several weeks and should be visible with a modest 60mm telescope. If you're unable to catch it in person, the Virtual Telescope Project and the Asteroid Foundation will live stream the spectacle on November 30th, 8 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, at Virtual Telescope. EU. Eros was first documented by astronomers as far back as 1898, making it the first near-Earth asteroid to be discovered. The feat is often attributed to German astronomer Gustav Witt and his assistant, Felix Link, at the Urania Observatory in Berlin, as he was the first to publish the discovery of the new body, although it was also identified independently by Auguste Charlevoix at the Nice Observatory in France. Since this first encounter, humans have maintained a close relationship with the space rock. In 1998, the Near-Earth Asteroid Rendezvous Shoemaker spacecraft was sent to visit Eros at a distance of about 3,800 kilometers, 2,400 miles. Using its onboard instruments, it managed to gather all kinds of insights into its size, shape, spin, and other features. On Valentine's Day 2000, an apt date for an asteroid named after the Greek god of love, Eros became the first asteroid ever studied from its own orbit when its space probe entered its gravitational influence. By 2001, NEAR successfully pulled off the first asteroid surface landing, marking an end to its mission, or so NASA thought. To the surprise of scientists back home, the Shoemaker probe survived the landing and its instruments remained operational. The spacecraft was able to run the first ever gamma-ray experiment from the surface of a body other than Earth. This was a big deal because it showed that you can place sensitive instruments directly on an asteroid and gather detailed information about what it's made of. So, if you're lucky enough to catch a glimpse of 433 Eros over the next few weeks, send our regards and say thanks for all the science.